Add, edit, and delete notations in Crescendo. Left-click on a button on the notation toolbar or in the left or right toolbars to select it. Left-click on the score to add the notation to the score. When a note is placed, the note menu appears. From it, you can edit the note by adding accidentals, accents, and more, as well as change the duration. You can delete a note by selecting it and clicking delete. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on adding, editing, and deleting notations. The Notation tab, the left toolbar, and the right toolbar contain all the tools you need to add notations to your score. Left-click on a tool to select it, then left-click on the score to place the notation. When a note is placed or selected, the note menu appears. From it, you can make edits to the note. Click the plus sign at the center of any of the note menu sub-menus to view it larger. Press Escape to return from the sub-menu to the full note menu. Right-clicking on the note head opens a right-click menu from which you can change note duration and add or remove notation. To remove an accidental or dots, go to those items in the right-click menu. Then, select None from the sub-menu. To delete a note, select it and click Delete or right-click on it and select Delete from the menu. For more Crescendo tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.